Hi guys, thanks for watching this video and welcome to my channel. Many friends ask me where do I buy cryptocurrency, and today I would like to tell you how do I buy Ethereum. For this I left a link below in the description. Follow it and you will find out everything. But in this video tutorial I will detailedly explain you how, where and using which 3 simple steps you can buy Ethereum safely and easily. Let's proceed. First of all, we need to register on this website. It's called the IQ options. Here we need to type in our email and to figure out a short but secure password. After that, we click that we agree with terms and conditions on the website and press register and buy. The confirmation letter was sent to our email. We need to click this button and it will bring us to the deposit window. As you can see, activation was successful. Now all we need to do is choose the amount we would like to buy Ethereum for. I would like to buy for $1,000. The currency can be different, but I prefer USD. The payment method could be also different. I prefer Visa and MasterCard. After that, we click Go to Payment. And here, we just need to enter our card information. This is a secure website, absolutely legitimate, so there is no need to worry. After we're done, we click Pay. The pay has went through, so now we're into the platform. It has a huge variety of trading assets, such as currency pairs, assets, stocks, and so on. But we choose ourselves Ethereum. If while buying something or selling something you have some other questions, you can simply click Help and you will receive all the answers you need. Here we set the amount of the money we're going to invest in Ethereum. It's going to be $1,000, as I said. This is a multiplier, but be careful with this thing because it can do both. It can multiply your money as well as it can involve it into a higher risk. So be very careful, guys. And auto closing. This thing will allow you not to check this platform every day. All you need to do is to set up your profit and your loss. After everything is set, you simply click Buy. The confirmation window is the last thing we need to check. So here we see the opening price, the investment, the quantity of Ethereum we're going to get, and the commission. Press Confirm Buying, and in a second we have our Ethereum. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Click the link below to receive a very pleasant bonus from me. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Bye.